back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get free animation for your Roblox avatar. Okay, let's get into it, guys. First, you're going to open up your Roblox application, and then you're going to go to the avatar menu, and you're going to customize your avatar right here, and then select the animation. And here you'll find a lot of animations, guys. And if you want to get the free animation, you can filter it. You can go to the marketplace and you can filter the price. I'm going to select the price range and I'm going to add 0 and 0 so we can get free animation. Okay, and hold on, I'm gonna go to the animation. Alright, and these are free animations that you can apply to your avatar. You can choose this one, cute waving, and then tilt, salute, hello, and shrug. And you can search for the animation that you want right here. For example, if you want to get walking animation, just go to this search bar and you can search for it. And yeah, just select that if you want to get the animations for your Roblox avatar. Okay guys, and that's how you can get free animations for Roblox avatar. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.